Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the quick look at something that I did, and that is now official. I've updated or upgraded my main Windows computer to the build 18362. So I told you yesterday that if you wanted to have a advanced peek at the April 2019 update, well, it does seem that 18362 is the official build release. So here we go, version 1903. And this is on my main computer. And everything works fine. The upgrade went very well. How long did it take to update? I'm not really sure because I wasn't home. I left it doing it at night. When I woke up this morning, it was on the lock screen, and it was waiting for me to simply, use it, basically. So I will have my review coming up in the next 2 days. Of course, we'll see what are the new features. But, up to now, everything works great. I've had really zero problems with the operating system. Been using it for the past 3 hours or so, and of course it actually was waiting for me this morning, so it actually was on the lock screen for a few hours. The install seems to have gone really well. I've got no glitches. There were past moments when I had to reinstall because there were some problems. There were things that were not working right. Well, I could say one thing is that I have absolutely no problems with this one, and which makes it for me the second update to a major version of Windows 10 that doesn't have any glitches. Even though a lot of people had problems with the October 2018 update, I did not have any problems. So, of course, like I say, I'm here to do this so that you guys could see what it looks like and also have my first impressions. Hey, my first impressions are pretty good. I'm with the new control panel here, the new settings panel with the information about the account at the top and the OneDrive and Windows updates and rewards. So, it's just working great. Got really no problem there. Of course, one of the things that I've done is keep myself temporarily here in the Fast Ring of Insider program, but I will be, of course, removing myself from this as we will, of course, once I'm totally sure, because okay, we're everything seems to point to the fact that this is the thing, but of course, I will still stay there a little bit just to make sure. But honestly, this is the April 2019 update. We're there yet, and of course, if you're an insider and want to remove yourself from the program, now's the time probably. So what you could do is simply go to Windows Insider Program. If you're on build 18362, switch this to off. Opt out of the insiders, and you will be back at a regular install of Windows 10. So April 2019 update. First impressions seem good. I've got absolutely no problem at all. And let me just check something here. We'll change the theme here because it came back to a theme. I'm going to put it back to the sunshine. Here we go. So this is going to be a better theme for me, more summery and more basically kind of feel a little warmer than winter. So everything seems to work well. I will be, of course, posting some more updated videos of what I think. For now, it's okay. It does seem to be a great build and a great install, and we'll probably get a cumulative update at some point with this version, because it still had a few little things, but these can be fixed with a cumulative update, of course, on the computer. So seems to be clean, seems to work well, and I think we're going to have I'm pretty sure with what happened in the past year, we're going to have a pretty good flight for the April 2019 update. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.